At Hansen International, we believe all our products should be simple, rugged, and effective. That's why we take care to engineer every product with the next 100 years in mind. Our high-caliber gas springs were designed to go beyond industry standards. Hansen International gas springs provide a reliable lift and heavy-duty support for compartment doors, hatches, and other applications where ease of motion is necessary. The support design is created to control the motion with a counterbalancing lift mechanism. Our gas springs undergo strenuous testing to ensure they will withstand heavy use. We believe in our products and have backed our gas springs with a 3-year warranty. We have a variety of rod and tube sizes: 6mm, 8mm, 10mm, and 14mm. The steel tube is powder-coated black with a steel nitride rod. We also offer stainless steel in a mill finish. Our gas springs are designed with ease of use in mind. If you want to learn more about our innovative solutions, call us today.